Assalamu alaikum to my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Let's take out your maths countdown book 2. So today we will learn about the following learning objectives: division sign, multiplication and division facts, word problem. Okay, let's take a start. Division sign. Hope you remember this sign. So division is opposite of multiplication. Here you can see. You can see number families of multiplication here. There are two examples given for multiplication. The one is in vertical. Okay. The one is vertical form and other is horizontal way. There are 4 columns. How many columns? 4 columns here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 3 rows. 3 rows given in vertical way. When you multiply this, you can write like this: 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. Or now on the other hand, you can see there are 4 columns. There are 4 columns and 3 rows. And when you multiply in horizontal way, you can write like 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. So this is how it is done. So when we do for division, firstly count all the balls. So here is one example. There are 12 balls, and when we divide them in vertical way by 3 columns, then you can write like 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. On the other hand, 12 balls will be divided horizontally by 4. So you can write like 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 3, 4 and 12 are members of number families. For multiplication, how it is done, and it proves that division is the opposite of multiplication. Now write the missing number. Hope you all remember the tables. Here you can see 5 columns and 7 rows. Okay, how many columns? 5 columns. Read table of 7. Table of 7. Do you remember table of 7? Read table of 7 5 times. So 7 multiply 5 is equal to 35. And when you read table of 5 7 times, the answer will remain same. That is 5 multiply 7 is equal to 35. Now as you know that division is the opposite of multiplication. So when we divide 35 by 5, 35 by 5, the answer will be 7. And when you divide 35 by 7, the answer will be 5. Now open page number 78 and do exercise 1. Write the missing numbers. Complete all the parts in book. Let's take about the multiplication facts. When you divide 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. And when you multiply 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8, the answer will be remain same. In the both case, these are called multiplication facts. Here are the division facts. In division, the answer is divided in 2 ways. Like you can see here, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And on the other hand, when you divide 8 by 4 is equal to 2. These are called division facts. Okay, so now fill in the table. Fill the table. One example has been done for your help. Now you can see 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12. When you write like 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12, answer is same. In division, when 12 is divided by 2, the answer is 6. It means 12. When you read table of 2 6 times, the answer is 12. And when you read the table of 6 2 times, the answer is also 2. Now, turn on page number 79 and do exercise 1. Complete all the parts in book. Okay, so here you can see a word problem, that is division or sharing equally. It says there are 3 chimpanzees who were very hungry. They saw 12 bananas and decided to share equally, so they divide 12 bananas among them. When they divide by 3, each chimpanzees get 4 bananas. So this is how division helps them to share equally. Each chimpanzee gets 4 bananas. Okay, now open page number 80 and learn all the word problem of division carefully. So let's wind up our weekly homework. Hope you all understand very well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.